You're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x. This is equal to 60. So what is the value of x? Solution from here. 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x. This is in the form of 8 to the power n times 8 to the power m, which we can express as 8 to the power n plus m. So applying this exponent property, then here we'll have 5 to the power x plus x. This is equal to 60. So that now here we'll have 5 to the power x plus x is 2x. This is equal to 60. So for x, we introduce logarithm on both sides. So that now here we'll have log 60. And now from here, you find that log 5 to the power 2x. This is actually in the form of log 8 to the power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this logarithm property, log 5 to the power 2x becomes 2x log 5. This is equal to log 60. So let's divide both sides by log 5 by log 5. So that now here we'll have 2x. This is equal to log 60 divided by log 5. We can express 60 as 12 times 5. Let's substitute this so that here we'll have 2x. This is equal to log 12 times 5 divided by log 5. Now here you find that log 12 times 5, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, then we'll have 2x. This is equal to log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 12 divided by log 5. So let's proceed from here. So you find that log 5 and log 5 simplifies here. So this is 1. So we'll have 2x. This is equal to 1 plus log 12 divided by log 5. We can express 12 basically as 4 times 3, which is the same thing as 2 to the power 2 times 3. So now substituting this, we'll have 2x. This is equal to 1 plus log 2 to the power 2 times 3 divided by log 5. Now we say that log 2 to the power 2 times 3, this is actually in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then here we'll have 2x. This is equal to 1 plus log 2 to the power 2 divided by log 5 plus log 3 divided by log 5. So now here we have 2x. This is equal to 1 plus log 2 to the power 2 by applying power becomes 2 log 2 divided by log 5, then plus log 3 divided by log 5. So log 2 divided by log 5, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Applying this algebra property, here we'll have 2x. This is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 to base 5, then plus log 3 to base 5. So let's divide both sides by 2 here, so that now the value of x is equal to half plus, now 2 and 2 simplifies, so this is log 2 to base 5, then plus half log 3 to base 5. So now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall here, we end that 5 to power x times 5 to power x. This should give us a value of 60. So this is in the form of 8 to power n times 8 to power m, which we can express as 8 to power n plus m. And this is the same thing as 5 to power x plus x, which is 2x. This should give us a value of 60. So let's substitute the value of x here so that we check. Substituting the value of x here, we'll have 5 to power 2 multiplying by, now here we have a half plus log 2 to base 5, then plus a half. We have log 3 to base 5. Now this should give us a value of 60. This should give us a value of 60. This should give us a value of 60. Let's check if this is true. Now here we simplify here. So this is 5 to power 1 plus, now this is 2 times, this is the same thing as 2, log 2 to base 5, then plus 2, and this 2 simplifies. So here we have log 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 60. Now this is actually in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can transform as a to power n times a to power m. Applying this exponent property, then here we'll have 5 to power 1 times 5 to power 2 log 2 to base 5 multiplying by 5 to power log 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 60. The next step from here, this is 5 multiplying by, now this is the same thing as 5 to power log 2 squared to base 5. So this is a power, so that's why we have 2 to power 2. Then multiplying by 5 to power log 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 60. The next step from here, 5 to power log 2 squared to base 5. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m. And this is supposed to give us a value of a. So 5 to power log 2 to power 2 to base 5, this will give us a value of 4. And 5 to power log 3 to base 5, this is supposed to give us a value of 3. So let's substitute these values here. So we have 5 times 5 to power log 2 squared to base 5, which is 4, times 5 to power log 3 to base 5, which is 3. They should give us a value of 60. So 5 times 4, this is 20, times 3, this is 60. And this shows that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that affirms that the value of x, which is equal to, affirms that the value of x, which is a half plus log 2 to base 5 plus a half log 3 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.